I'm here looking at a safety wiring that has been done on 2 bolts, and we have for 3 bolts. You see this pattern? A student of ours, Veronica, just finished that, and she's going to show us how she made this beautiful pattern. So let's talk to Veronica a little bit. Veronica, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, you just finished doing that. Could you show us again?
No problem.
How you... So Veronica, you've started now?
Yes, and what I want to do is get these 2 ends as even as possible, so I can wrap them around. And what you do is you want to start clockwise. So bring this one over as tight as you can, and then you're going to start twisting. And you want to do them at the same time so they'll be equal, and also as tight as possible.
And you are joining the 3 bolts together.
I am.
And what do you base your pattern on?
AC 43 1B.
AC 43 13 1B. Okay,
yes.
That's good. So for this, you're using your cutter and your dog view.
Yes,
Right,
I am.
okay.
You want to get it as tight as possible and have these go down as far as possible you can. So I think we're going to do one more.
And per AC 43 says 5 to 8 twists per inch.
Yes.
5 to 8 twists per inch. So when you get to the next hole,
What we're going to do is go in from the top
yeah,
and come down. Try not to twist your wires either. And then if it's hard to pull, I'm going to use my duck bill and go ahead and not twist them. Pull down through.
Okay, so now I see you've gotten into the second bolt.
Yes. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and wrap them just like the first one and join them again as tight as possible. As continue the same pattern.
So why are you interested in working on the aircraft?
I actually was working on cars growing up with my dad, and I always had real interest on hands-on work. So coming to AIM, I wanted to learn how to build planes.
Okay. And you like it so far?
Oh, it's real. I like it a lot.
Okay, so you've gotten to the 3rd bolt.
Yes, and now we're going to do the same thing again. Wrap it around and twist it once tight, and then the rest we're going to do kind of loose so we're able to turn it.
And for your pigtail, you need like 5 twists.
Right.
Yeah, 5 twists for the pigtail.
And then we're going to cut off our excess.
And for this project, you need your safety glasses. I see you finish, and your tension is perfect. That is very nice. The tension is good there, very tight. You know. And then we have our edge, the pigtail. You curve them because you don't need any sharp edge. That's a nice 3-bolt safety wire. Thank you, Veronica, for sharing all this.